Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my unboxing and how-to video for the LandAirSea 54 real-time GPS tracker. My first impressions are I was genuinely surprised about how easy it is to set up a GPS tracker for your car. I'm in a very annoying situation right now where there's so much construction where I live that I have to park almost a mile away from my house, which can be very annoying. Luckily I found a space, but on the other hand I feel a bit uncertain about parking away from the house. And if I have a GPS tracker, it can make my car insurance easier, so let's get straight into it. But before we get into the unboxing, just to let you know that this works wherever you are, so you don't have to worry if you're in UK or Europe, this works. So it arrived in a simple black box with a lot of information around it. All you have to do is peel off the sticky label and you can see your tracker. Just remove the packaging around it and set it to the side for now. You can see the tracker here. It's very basic, something discreet that can just fit anywhere in your car. Also, it's magnetic, so you can stick it pretty much anywhere inside or outside of the car, depending on how discreet you want to be when you're tracking your car. If you lift that up, you can see that there's an instruction booklet and there's also charging cables depending on how you want to charge this. So I'll just go for the basic USB cable. This is designed to be waterproof, so you just need to use the screw that comes with it just to flick open the section that allows you to plug in your cable. Plug the cable in and you'll see a little red light come on. When that red light goes off, that's when you know the tracker's fully charged. Next thing you need to do is take this outside, plug that little pin in, and then you'll see the light start to come on. When you see 3 lights come on, that pretty much means it's ready to go. What you want to do is download the app on your phone. Once the app is downloaded, enter your details and then you'll be able to activate your tracker. The 3 lights will come on and you know your tracker's pretty much good to go. As you can see here, you can view the movement of your car in real time. So you can actually see what roads it's going on. You can also see how many miles per hour it's going. And I think it's really good for when you have kids or you have someone else using your car. You can tell if they're speeding. What I also like about this is that you don't just get a real-time view, but you also get a history view. So you get the last 48 hours, just in case, hope it never happens, but someone happens to take your car. You can see where they've been within the last 48 hours. Now, this is the interesting part. Based on how often you want your tracker to send information back to you, the battery life will differ. But what I think is I'm going to be in my car every few days at the very least. So I can charge the tracker while I'm in the car, and while I'm not in the car, the tracker sits in the car and gives me feedback every 3 seconds. So I prefer for it to be feedback every 3 seconds because I want that security. So just to let you know, there are various memberships that you can make use of when it comes to this tracker, and you can go for different prices depending on what you want. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can go straight to their website. So that's pretty much it. The 54 real-time GPS tracker that you can use for your car. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, remember to like and subscribe and let me know what you think of this tracker in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.